Have I ever mentioned that I love smartphone collaborations? If I haven't, I guess now is my chance. I love smartphone collaborations. So in the studio today, we have a very, very special Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus to unbox for you guys. Now, this is Samsung in collaboration with Star Wars. And if you guys missed our last collaboration unboxing, we'll leave a little pop-up here on the top right corner of the screen. That's if you guys want to watch the unboxing of the OnePlus 7T Pro McLaren edition, which obviously collaborates OnePlus and McLaren Auto. That was amazing. But in celebration of Star Wars: The Rise of Skywalker launching in theaters this Friday, Samsung sent us this awesome Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and we're gonna go ahead and unbox it for you guys. And like I said, make sure you check out that McLaren video. You guys have been killing it. The views are almost at 5,000 in terms of that video. So I've officially decided this channel has the best viewers ever, and there's nothing you can do to change my mind. But with that being said, let's get to this unboxing. All right, so let's start off with the design. First of all, you gotta give Samsung props on this box. The presentation, I would give it an A+ already, and I haven't even opened the box, but you can see on the outside, you've got the Star Wars logo on the bottom left, the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus text on the bottom right, and then obviously you have the Kylo Ren shroud with Kylo Ren's helmet on the inside. Now, whenever you slide this portion out is where things get interesting. You'll actually see the design of his destroyed helmet from, I believe, episode 8. So this is pretty cool. Not sure if you guys can see the text underneath though, but it says, "I'll show you the dark side." So like I said, presentation already gets an A+. I believe this box, yeah, this box opens upward. So let me go ahead and rotate that towards you guys. So the first compartment kind of opens upward, and you can see inside this compartment, you will have a leather case with kind of Kylo Ren's helmet embossed in the back. This is super nice. And then on the inside, you'll have your First Order logo, as he is now the Supreme Leader of the First Order after pulling a gotcha on Supreme Leader Snoke. But on the right side of the leather case, you also have this cool little collectible that comes with it. This feels like a nice premium metal, and obviously it's got the logo of Kylo Ren and his destroyed helmet on it as well. So this looks super, super dope. In terms of everything on the top compartment, that is essentially it. But where the presentation gets a little cooler is this little flap right here. This pops down, and then as you guys can see, there's a little pull tab here, and this opens, and you'll find your special edition Galaxy Note 10 Plus along with your special edition Galaxy Buds. So this is a super intricate unboxing experience. Let me go ahead and move some of this aside. Let's start with the Galaxy Buds. We obviously know that the Galaxy Note 10 Plus is gonna be the star of the show here. So let's see if we can get these Galaxy Buds open. And on the inside, there's nothing too special here with the Galaxy Buds. They look just like a regular pair. Obviously, the casing is going to be black, but where the Galaxy Buds are truly special is on the inside. And there it is. So the inside of the Galaxy Buds case is going to be that signature red color that you'll find on any member of the Sith's lightsaber. I kind of wish they would have went red with the little reflective portions on the earbuds, but nonetheless, this looks pretty cool. On the actual outside of the case, you're not gonna find any Star Wars branding. It's gonna be your standard Samsung branding, obviously sound by AKG, so that's super cool. We're gonna go ahead and throw that back in the box. So that's all you get in terms of the Galaxy Buds. That is pretty cool on its own. Let's move on to the star of the show. So this is the special edition Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Let me go ahead and grab something so I can tear the tape on the back of it. So inside this box, we have the special edition Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and I cannot wait to see what this is gonna look like. I bet you it's gonna look amazing. So as you can see on the surface of the box, it looks like a standard Galaxy Note 10 Plus. I don't know if you guys can kind of peep through there, but you can see the hints of red already. And if you don't see it, you'll definitely see it now. So this is going to be in their Aura Black color. Oh man, and there's where all the awesome design comes through. So on the back of this phone, you'll see the Star Wars branding, and that'll be underneath the actual Aura Black glass itself. You'll see the First Order logo, Samsung logo, and there you'll see that same same kind of Sith red outlining the camera module, which just looks awesome. And then obviously your power button and your volume rocker on the left side of the phone are also going to be in that awesome red color. Now, the phone itself should also have some custom boot animation. So let me go ahead and boot this up right now in front of you guys. So no Star Wars branding yet, but it should have its own custom boot animation. Let's see what that looks like here in a second. There it is. So you'll see it boots up with Kylo Ren's damaged helmet. That on its own looks amazing. And also another thing to keep in mind, that S Pen comes in that trademark red Sith color as well. So one could say this is a Kylo pen. Huh?
Got him!
No? Okay, I'll continue. All right, guys, give me just a, oh, did it make a noise when you put it back in there? Oh, it definitely does. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Hang on. Oh, that is sick. So whenever you both put the pen back in the phone and also take the pen out of the phone, it makes the sound of turning on and turning off the lightsaber, which is super, super sick. So yeah, just like I said, it's a Kylo pen. So that is super dope. Now give me a few seconds. I'm going to fly through the setup process really quick because I'm pretty sure there's also some other custom software tweaks that Samsung has made that are also Star Wars themed. So give me a second, I will be right back. Alrighty, y'all, so I just went ahead and just blew through the setup process. I didn't set up any accounts or anything, like I'm not signed into the phone whatsoever. But as you can see, there are additional hits of Star Wars theme in the actual system UI. So starting off with the wallpaper itself, mine was actually a red Stormtrooper, and I'll kind of show you guys what that looked like here. I went ahead and changed it. So you do have your standard stock wallpapers, and then once you scroll down, you'll see that you have a host of different Star Wars wallpapers. Mine was that red Stormtrooper. I went ahead and changed it to the standard damaged helmet of Kylo Ren. And you can also see, you also have your option of like the Knights of Ren. You have kind of this like abstract Kylo Ren, and then you have 3 Stormtroopers as well. So that looks super dope. Outside of that, you do have custom icons as well, and then you can also see the navigation bar on the bottom is that classic Sith red color too. It looks super, super dope. The system UI itself also has some changes. So this is your default settings using the Star Wars theme, which also looks super dope. And I don't know if you guys can actually catch it while I'm on camera, but the phone itself also makes like Star Wars type noises whenever you interact with the navigation bar, pull the pen out, touch anything. It all looks super, super dope. So those are kind of your hits of Star Wars animation, also found in the system UI. All I can say is this is a super, super dope phone. From the design to the system UI elements. It is your standard Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Underneath though, it's still got the same Snapdragon 855 processor with 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. So in terms of actual design and experience though, I think they've kind of nailed the whole Star Wars theme. The unboxing experience was excellent as well. And that just about does it, guys, in terms of everything that is on the phone and inside the box of this very awesome Star Wars edition of the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Couldn't come at a better time considering the whole Star Wars series is essentially coming to an end, and I love that they went with this Sith type of red design and the First Order, all the Kylo Ren stuff, the Kylo pen. It all looks super, super dope. If you guys want to get your hands on this phone, you should be able to find it on Samsung's website, although it is a limited edition run, so I wouldn't wait if you want to buy the phone. And I believe the price is $12.99, and it's not exactly configurable, so $12.99 is the price that you're looking to pay regardless. There's no way to choose like your model, your storage, none of that. It's just $12.99, and if you have a trade-in, you may save some extra cash. But nonetheless, super, super dope phone. If you guys want to see any other additional details, let us know and we can work on a video for you guys. But if you enjoyed the unboxing and the general overview of this phone, make sure you guys hit the like and subscribe button down below. And also, if you haven't seen our last video, we're hosting a giveaway. You got about 7 more days to enter. If you haven't, make sure you do it. I don't know why you haven't by now, but do it right here. All right, guys. Bye.